Assalamualaikum dear students. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is our first class after Eidul Adha and I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine and I am Kamrun, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. And my dear students of class 4, today I am going to take your English language class. And our today's topic is conversion of tense. That means we will change the sentences according to the direction. So let's start our class today. Now look, the first sentence. The child has drawn a picture. We will change it to the future indefinite tense. And what is the direction? Future indefinite tense. And the sentence is the child has drawn a picture. And now look, after subject there is the helping verb has and there is the past participle form of the verb draw. That means the sentence is present perfect tense and we will change it to the future indefinite tense. So what is the structure of the future indefinite tense? Could you remember? Yes, I know all you can remember it. So at first we will write the child. The child and our subject. Now according to the structure we will add here will or shall. So what will be there? And we use will after I or we. Now we will write here will. The child will and we will use the present form of the verb. That means there will be draw. The child will draw a picture. So it's done. And the sentence is the child will draw a picture. Now number 2. I see a bird. We will change it to the past perfect tense. And now look, I see a bird. After the subject there is the present form of the verb. So that means it is the present indefinite tense and now we will change it to the past perfect tense and our subject is I. Now could you tell me what will be there after I? Yes, there will be had. I had. And now according to the structure of the past perfect tense we will use here the past participle form of the verb see. So what is the past participle form? Seen. I had seen. And the rest of the sentence or the extension, I had seen a bird. So our sentence is I had seen a bird. Now number 3. They swim in the pond. We will change it to the present continuous tense. Now look, they swim in the pond. The sentence is in the present indefinite tense and we know that to change it to the continuous tense we need to add what? Am, is or are according to the subject. And what is our subject? Our subject is they and they is plural. So what will you use here? Yes, we will write are. They are. And now we will add ing with the verb swimming. So S W I double M I N G. There will be double M. They are swimming and now the rest of the sentence in the pond. And now look, my dear students, when you add ing, after a verb, now look, if the word ends with what? We have vowel and consonant. So if the verb ends with consonant, now look, M, and before that if you find a vowel, when you add ing there will be double, it will be double. So there will be swimming. And now number 4. The boy finished his homework and we will change it to future perfect tense. And now look, the boy finished his homework, and there is the past form of the verb finish. So it is in the past indefinite tense. And now we will change it to the future perfect tense. And according to the structure, we will write here the boy. That means our subject. And now what we will write here with future perfect tense. In future perfect tense, we will use here will have or shall have. So we will use here will have. The boy will have. Now the past perfect form of the verb finished, and now look, the past form or the past perfect form of the verb finished is same. It will be finished here. So the boy will have finished his, now the rest of the sentence, homework, his homework. A-O-R-K. Now look, number, so our sentence is the boy will have finished his homework. And now number 5, they will catch fish. We will change it to past indefinite tense. And now look, they will catch fish. That means, now look, after will there is the present form of the verb. So it is future indefinite tense, and now we will convert it to the past indefinite tense. So at first we will write the subject they, and the past form of the verb catch is caught, and we will omit will. They caught, C-A-U-G-H-T, they caught fish. So our sentence is they caught fish. Subject, then the past form of the verb, and now the rest of the sentence. Now number 6, it is raining for 2 hours. We will change it present perfect continuous tense. So according to the structure, at first we will write it, and then what will be there? Either has been or have been, but our subject is it and it is singular, so we will write here has been. So it has been, then the verb along with ings. And now look, it is continuous tense, so there is the verb with ing. So we will write it here, it has been raining. Raining for 2 hours. Now number 7. And what is the sentence? I have learned my lesson, and we will change it to future continuous tense. And now look, I have learned my lesson. After the subject we write here have, and then the past participle form of the verb learn. That means it is present perfect tense, so we will change it future continuous tense. And at first we will write our subject I, and we all know that we use shall after I and we, so we will write here I shall. And for future continuous tense, what will be add here? There will be a be verb, I shall be, and then verb with ing. So what is our verb? Learn, and the present form of the verb is learn, L-E-A-R-N, learn, and we will add ing. Now the extension my lesson. And then Rupa, number 8, Rupa sang a song. We will change it to present indefinite tense. Now look at the verb sang. It is in the past form, so it is past indefinite tense. And if you want to change it to the present indefinite tense, what will you use? At first we will write the subject, then the present form of the verb or the base form of the verb sang, that means sing. And now look, this is Rupa and it is third person singular number, that means It is singular subject. So we will add here is. Rupa sings, and now the rest of the sentence a song. So our sentence is Rupa sings a song. So now look, we have completed 8 sentences today, and they are, and I repeat, now look, number 1, the child has drawn a picture. We will convert it to the future indefinite tense, and our answer is the child will draw a picture. Now number 2, I see a bird. We will change it to past perfect tense, and answer is I had seen a bird. And now number 3 is they swim in the pond. We will change it to present continuous tense. And what is our sentence? They are swimming in the pond. Number 4, the boy finished his homework, and we will convert it future perfect tense. And the answer is the boy will have finished his homework. And number 5, they will catch fish. We will change it to past indefinite tense, and the answer is they caught fish. Number 6 is it is raining for 2 hours, and we will convert it to present perfect continuous, and answer is it has been raining for 2 hours. And now number 7, I have learned my lesson, and we will convert it to future continuous tense, and our sentence is I shall be learning my lesson. Number 8, Rupa sang a song. We will change it to present indefinite tense, and the answer is Rupa sings a song. And there is a homework, my dear students. This is homework number 7, and number 1 is he has driven a car. You will change it to past continuous tense. Number 2 is Shumon did the work. You will change it to future perfect tense. Number 3 is they swim in the pond. You will change it to present perfect tense. Number 4 is the girl plucks flowers. You will change it to future continuous tense. Number 5 is he drives a car. You will change it to past indefinite tense. And number 6 is I shall buy a book, and you will change it to present continuous tense. So my dear students, I hope you can change the tense according to the direction. So that's all for today. I hope you have understood our today's topic. And dear students, all of you will do your assigned homework in your SW copies, and you will submit all of the SW copies on every Sunday, and from 8 am to 4 pm. And it's very important because your SBA, CT and diary marks will be given on the basis of the submission of your homework copies. So do your homework regularly. Keep practicing at home and listen to your parents. See you again. Allah Hafiz.